So, welcome back, friends. We have the NASDAQ trying to recoup a good part of the losses it suffered yesterday as a result of the Chinese artificial intelligence company DeepSeek coming center stage with an app that could turn out to be revolutionary in times to come. They have made artificial intelligence from chips that are a fraction of the price that are currently running. Latest NVIDIA chips are extremely expensive, but because of the governmental restrictions that have been imposed on export of chips outside the United States, the Chinese have used a little lower version of the NVIDIA chips and have been able to make something which is definitely has shaken the market. It has, for the first time, investors found a tangible reason to believe that some of the US tech giants, namely NVIDIA and Broadcom, might not grow earnings by as much as initially hoped for in the coming year. The team behind DeepSeek, the artificial intelligence model maker, claims that the technology uses cheaper chips and less data as well. So less data means less data center costs. Investors are concerned that this could hurt future AI chip sales. So for a company like NVIDIA, as well as bring into question the dominance of US hyperscalers in AI. As you know, substantial portion of the AI run has been on the back of good estimates by the big tech companies, and they are about to start reporting. So the earnings and what they think about DeepSeek and the way the entire AI story is going to unfold itself is going to be something that is going to be watched with great curiosity in times to come, particularly this week and beyond. For many who think that what happened yesterday has been completely or substantially overtaken today, I think are in a wrong judgment as to what lies ahead. I believe that the tech has been at the forefront of the overall return for the market this year. There's no denying that. And one thing that comes to mind is that it is difficult to say how 29% of stocks in the S&P 500 have outperformed the index in 2024 and 30% outperformed in 23. And this marked the lowest number of outperformers since the late 1990s. That brings you to the dot-com bubble. It's probably incorrect that there is a new paradigm in which the Magnificent Seven secularly dominate the market. Such extreme and narrow leadership is rare because it goes against the very concept of capitalism, of open markets, and of competition. It is quite possible that 2025 will be a year of returning to normal, broader markets as speculation meets reduced liquidity and fundamentals start coming again center stage. Friends, if you think that what has happened today in terms of recoupment of some of the losses of yesterday means the end of the scare that Monday's deep sell-off brought about in stocks across the world, not only in the United States. It was a risk-off sentiment. Then I would like to tell you that wait, maybe in about a week or maybe two, you will start seeing part 2 of this story unfold. It's not going to be very long. And then, of course, some more story is going to start returning more scare. And the main reason why all this is happening is that the wild volatility is taking place because there isn't a great amount of clarity as to how you can monetize artificial intelligence. People are showing lots of videos using AI, but how you exactly monetize, there is no killer app as yet. Until that happens, you will find that the time to time you may find some shakeout or some news that can shake you will keep coming. I think another bit of the story is just about a week or 10 days away. And yes, stay tuned. Do remember that what you saw, the 16% fall in the Nvidia stock yesterday, can repeat itself. And the big tech will also get mauled in the process. So the concentration risk remains. Do not think that this is just a one-day story. Yesterday's fall in the stocks should not be taken for just something which has happened, a flash in the pan, if I may so call it. It is just the beginning of the bigger action that is to unfold over the late winter, spring, and of course summer. So it's going to be a rocky ride from here for the stock markets. And to navigate this rocky ride, do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups. We give you good analysis of where the markets are lying from here. And you can join our Prime or Prime Plus groups, which address where the markets are going to be, the negativity and positivities. We'll be showing you the way, which days, which weeks. And this, I think, will help you get a tremendous competitive advantage over others. You can join either of these groups by WhatsApping us on 982-086-1044. And do remember, artificial intelligence is a 10 or 20-year theme. There is no denying it, just like internet was. But if you put yourself back in those days, do remember that at that point of time as well, the hardware makers like the Ciscos, these were dominating. But once they crashed and came down, then it was game over for the hardware and game start for the people who could take advantage of the hardware theme, like the Amazons. So the game is going to shift from one group of people to another. Who will it shift to this time? Do join our Art of Investing program, Prime or Prime Plus. Please WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Alternatively, you can email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.